friends, good morning and welcome to today's vlog. Today is December 29. So we are almost ending. We're almost at the end pala ng 2020. So ilang days na lang, it's going to be 2021. So today I have a hair client. Hair rebonding and keratin treatment and hair color as well. So I'm just waiting for her. It's already 9 a.m. in the morning. Andyan na yung announcement about usually there's always an announcement every 9 a.m. and 5 a.m. no matter ano yung i-announce nila. So ngayon it's about the coronavirus kasi yun nga may bagong coronavirus na naman na lumabas. And then I heard from the news that meron na sa Osaka yung galing UK na na infected na nung that type of coronavirus. So we are advised again not to roam around to hold parties like reunions and stuff. We are just advised to stay at home, not go anywhere. So ayun, bawal yung mga karaoke, yung basta mga something that may maraming tao. So I'm just waiting. It's already 9 and he is filler. You're such a filler. So I think darating na yung aking client. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, wag masyadong maaga, but it's already 9, so dapat nandito na siya. Kasi sabi ko, dapat 9, nandito ka na para makapag-start kami ng on time, para matapos din kami ng on time. So, ayun. So, I think I'm gonna show you a little of on how I do her hair. I don't know, I'm gonna get my tripod para, yeah. So, hopefully, I can do that, guys. So this is going to be our starting point. As you can see, she has an existing hair color and a little bit curl on her hair. So yeah, let's get started. So here I'm just applying the hair bonding cream 1 or A only to the regrowth area that has no color in it. So then after processing the regrowth area for like about 20 minutes, I then went ahead and spread the rest of the number 1 or letter A cream on the rest of the hair. Then process it just like about 15 minutes. So after processing, I then rinse out her hair thoroughly with water. Make sure that there's no cream left on your hair. And then I'm just going to blow dry this up to like 100% before ironing. So now we are going to, this is the most tedious part, guys, ironing the hair, because you need to iron it the thinnest you can, like paper thin. This is the make or break part in hair bonding. So make sure that you give a 101% effort while ironing the hair during hair rebonding so that you will have a good result. So now we've finished ironing her hair. So this is how her hair looks like after. So now I guess we are going to apply the neutralizer, I guess the number 2 cream, and together with the hair color. So yeah, this is just basically it. It's very simple. Yeah, I think I applied starting from the top of her head because I don't want to use any hair clip so that it will not leave any indentation on the hair. So that's simple. So here I just wrap her hair with a cling wrap because I applied a hair color together with the neutralizer so that the hair color will oxidize together with the neutralizer. After that, I rinse the hair thoroughly because we are going to be applying a keratin treatment on your hair. Since we did a hair bonding, we cannot shampoo her hair, so make sure that you rinse the hair thoroughly with water. And now I'm starting to apply the keratin treatment starting from the nape area, the same with the hair bonding treatment that we did earlier. So this is how simple it is. You just apply not too much, do not oversaturate the hair. The key to keratin treatment is that you comb the hair so that it will spread evenly. Do not oversaturate. So now I guess we're done applying the rest of the hair. So this is how it looks like. It's a little shiny, but I comb it thoroughly so that the product would spread evenly, not saturating like I've said. So I just wrap her hair with a cling wrap so that the treatment could really penetrate inside the hair cuticles. So then now I am blow drying her hair up to 60% dry. Not 60%, 100% dry before ironing. I must say that this takes a while to dry since this is cream. So now that I have dried the hair 100%, and then I proceed to flat ironing the hair starting from the nape area still. So just make a thin, but not that thin compared to hair bonding sections, that when ironing, just the right amount of hair that you would able to flat iron it very well. So this is how simple this is. So I guess we're almost done. I am at the front area of her head. So this really takes a while, guys. It really takes a while. I guess 5 hours rebonding and then additional 2 hours I guess for the keratin treatment. So now I'm just going to quickly trim her ends because her ends needs a little trimming and also some hair cutting. She doesn't want any short hair, so I'm just layering her hair. So this is our final result. What do you think? I think it looks so pretty. There's a big changes really if you remember the before hair. So this is our final result, friends. So I'm finally done with my client today. It's already 7 p.m. in the evening and kakain na muna kami saglit ni Rocky kasi hindi pa kami nakapag I just only ate bread yun, tapos kakain kami saglit kasi it's 7 and we need to get back kasi bukas may client pa din ako. So, punta kami saglit sa Joyful. So, it's gonna snow tomorrow. So, it's so cold. So, I'm wearing this jacket. Okay, it's gonna be very cold. So, see you later, guys. Hi, guys. So, we are now here sa Joyful and Rookie is trying to look for his foodie. So, ako, eto lang sa akin pa rin yung stamina botsadong kasi yan yung gusto kong kainin. Gusto ko sana yung peppa hamburg pero parang yung stamina na lang. Tsaka potato, can we eat potato fries? Masarap sana to, guys. And then this one, it's 600 yen. Diba? Looks so rough already. We're gonna order now. Oh, we got our orders, but I'm drinking caramel macchiato while waiting for our foodie. It's so cold, that's why I'm drinking hot drinks. Hindi na kaya ng And he's having a weird combo. It's so cold. It's gonna snow tomorrow, so where's my camera? I thought it's here, but it's here. Tastes so good, guys. I really I don't know if this is coffee. Caramel macchiato is not coffee, no. It's just like a caramel drink. And Rookie is having a weird drink
again.
Yeah, his drink is so weird. Here's our first meal: mozzarella, salad, and potato. What a combination! So here's my food as usual. Stamina butadong. Kay Rookie is ramen. Tadakimasu. So we're home, and what happened to my hair? Wala nang aking curls. Ayan. Wala nang aking curls. Tapos naging weird naman dito sa sa harapan. So yeah, we're home from Joyful. Kumain lang kami saglit and I bought the hair color as well. So I think I'm gonna say goodnight now, guys. I wanna end this vlog here now. And yeah, make sure that you thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell para notified kayo every time I upload a new video. So I think that's it for today, and sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating vlog today. Yeah, tomorrow is December 30 already, and soon it's going to be New Year. So yeah, I think that's it again for today, and I hope you have a wonderful day and a great day as always. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And hopefully I will see you on my next video. Yes, me.